This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Mazda 3 Max Hatch, stock reference number 4634. This shape runs from the 6th month 2006 through to the 4th month 2009. It has an LF 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front and the rear. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight. It's fitted with 15-inch factory alloy mags. Left front is a good tyre. Left power door mirror, 5-wire type. Left front door has 5 small dents. Left rear door has 3 small dents. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents. Right front door has light wobbles. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. And right hand power window mirror. Door window mirror. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid. Manual type console. 5-speed manual gear shifter. Heater controls. Factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, surround type, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.